Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a newbie, thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to always receive notification to my latest video. All right guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I style this beautiful silky long and spiral hair. You all know I love coconut oil. I mean, the health benefit of coconut oil cannot be overemphasized. So I use coconut oil to serve as the protection against heat. So I apply coconut oil to my clients' scalp and down to her hair before I stretched with the stretcher. All right, thank you so much. Continue to watch along, and don't forget to hit the notification button or share my content, or even give this video a thumbs up. And also, you can comment on this the comment section. Let me know what you think about the style. All right, thank you so much.